have me welcome the production member of the top 5 finalists of Miss Universe 2012.
Ni hao everyone, I'm Gina C. I'm 20 years old. China!
Hello everyone, my name is Nestle Magnolia Selecta Braza, 23 years of age, Brazil.
Good evening, CSU. This is Shamsi Momo Chupchup, 25, Philippines. Aloha everyone, my name is Sichoko Mochola, 25 years of age, Angola.
Good morning everyone, this is Christine Bag, 23 years of age, Miss Ukraine. And now, let's go to the question and answer portion. May we call on candidate number 1, Miss China? Miss China, here's your question. What is air pollution?
Okay, thank you. Air pollution. Air pollution is addition of harmful substances to the atmosphere, resulting in damage to the environment, human health, and quality of life. So that RHB should not be legalized. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss China. And next, let's call on Miss Brazil. Miss Brazil, here's your question. What are the particular sources of air pollution? Yes, thank you for that wonderful question. But first of all, I would like to thank my sponsors. Yes, Gaisano Mall, Rose Bake Shop, and Mercury Drugstore. Well, the sources of the air pollution is that the anthropogenic and the natural sources. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Brazil. And now, let's call on Ms. Philippines. Ms. Philippines, here's your question. Can you please cite some examples of air pollution?
Thank you, ma'am. To make my answer short, I will just give 3 major examples of air pollution. They are the smoke, factories, and natural phenomena such as volcanic eruption. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Philippines. And now, let's call on the candidate number 4, Ms. Angola. Okay, Ms. Angola, here's your question. For you, what's the best way you could do to help solve the air pollution problem?
Thank you. For me, I would educate others and advocate. I will hold a community meeting or go door to door handing out literature will help the neighbors understand the possible effects of it to our environment and to our health.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Angola, for the answer. And now, let's call on the last but not least
Talikod yung katawa na
candidate, Ms. Ukraine. Ms. Ukraine, here's your question. What could you contribute to lessen the air pollution in the environment?
Thank you. I love chocolates. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Since Ms. Ukraine has no answer to the question, I will want to give my own idea about it. I started from myself. I'll stop burning plastic materials because it could really cause air pollution in the environment, and it can help the smokes. It could cause us bad effects in our health. And so much for that. Thank you, girls, and you may now take your exit. And now, the long wait is over. I have now the results, and I'm requesting the candidates to please come forward on stage.
Who you are in this boy.
Now, our Miss Universe 2012 is no other woman, Miss Philippines